snap. Let's pan this up. We have another object snap for midpoint. I'm going to use the midpoint object snap to replicate the geometry we see on the right. I'm going to launch my line command. This time we're going to come up and we're going to click this icon. This icon represents midpoint. Don't forget the little tooltip that pops up. Sometimes it may take a little while before you remember what each one of these little cryptic symbols means. Midpoint's right here. Let me click that. AutoCAD says midpoint of what? As I bring my cursor down and put the eyeball on the entity, notice AutoCAD brings up a little symbol that represents midpoint. Each of the object snaps has a different symbol. Midpoint happens to be a triangle. So I'll bring my cursor down and touch the line, left click to grab the midpoint. And where do I want to go? I want to go to the midpoint right here. Let me hit escape and we'll finish this guy up. We'll go right back into the line command, and I want to go from the midpoint of the left side to the midpoint of the right. Let me hit escape to get out of the command. That is the midpoint object snap. Let's pan up. We've got one for intersection. Intersection will allow us to snap to the intersection of existing line work. Let's replicate this geometry. I'm going to do it with circles. So I'm going to launch my circle command. Where would I like the center point of my circle to be? I'm going to come up to my intersection object snap and click. I want to place my circle to the intersection right here. Now with the intersection object snap, you do have to be pretty close to the intersection because AutoCAD needs to see both lines. So let me left click